It was just a class to fill my schedule.
So I was like, oh, okay, let's try this. I don't know what it is.
I actually never knew it existed until I came to Northridge. And I saw the machine shop on the program, and I was like, that seems cool.
For the most part, the students come in with basically no background knowledge at all, even to the point where they might not even know how to use hand tools.
Almost immediately, it just started to feel right.
So I decided to take it, and then after that, I've taken it every single semester.
It was really cool to be able to work on a manual mill for the first time and see how all that works and how the manufacturing side of things worked.
I just want to be able to work with my hands, and it's something I enjoy, and if I can make money off of something I enjoy, I think that would be great. That's always been my goal.
The Gene Haas Foundation was set up by the owner of Haas Automation, which is a company that produces some of the CNC machines.
The school was getting $18,000 in scholarship money for kids who go to a technical college in the machining field.
One of the challenges that we have in machining is we have a workforce that is getting to the point of retirement, and we're not getting as much influx of young machinists into the trade that we need.
I just want to get a good job as a general machinist, maybe get into programming, and then one day I would like to own my own shop.
If they're not sure what they want to do, the tech college is always a great option because they have programs that'll get you out, get you trained, and get you employed right out of the gate. To me, that makes a lot more sense than going to college and spending a bunch of money trying to figure out what you want to do.
Being able to take a piece of metal and create it into something, whether it's for like a rocket or anything, is just a crazy idea. And I love the ability and being able to create things like that.
A student last year, for example, I think by the time he graduated, he'd taken machining 4 or 5 times. And he said to me, hey, Mr. Jensen, can I build a lightsaber? I said, yeah, that's something we can definitely do. We have the equipment, we've got the material. It's gonna be very complicated. Draw it on the computer, set up the machine, program it, all that. But the picture of him holding that lightsaber completely finished, he'd made the entire thing himself. It's hard to describe how cool that feels.
I think Mr. Jensen's pretty cool.
He's very considerate of what each specific student needs, and that's not something you see in a lot of teachers.
We've gotten a good relationship, so now he's able to help me with things, and it's been really, really cool, and he's helped me grow a lot and increase my knowledge in the field of I want to go into after I graduate.
There's so much demand right now that every place that does welding, machining, composites, automotive, they're all hiring. They're all looking for talented young people.